Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of that Dewalt fan I had on one of my other videos about the Dewalt build your own kit that I unboxed. I didn't unbox the fan that time, but then I decided to do an unboxing video, just kind of do a quick review about with the fan and kind of show you what the fan does and everything. If you guys are researching this fan and looking to get it, I'm posting some links down on the video just to see any deal. If I see any deals, I'll update the links on eBay or Amazon or wherever it is, so you guys can hop on it. But anyway, I'm gonna open the thing, show you all the features of it, and kind of do a quick review of it. So first thing, opening it up, the fan is just in there by itself, no padding, no nothing. It's just kind of the box and the instruction sheets. Getting the fan out, looks like your basic fan. It's all made of plastic, all plastic. Looks like it has a slot for the battery here. I see a dial. I think there's a speed dial for it. And then looks like there's a little door. Oh, there's a plug in here too. So I guess this thing also takes regular 120 volt extension cord plug if you wanted to just plug it straight to power on the job site. Okay, what else? Looks like there's some hooks on the bottom here that let you hook it and hang it from ladders and whatever you're working on. So that's pretty cool there. There is a little bolt down here so you could screw it into some kind of mount or some tripod or a stand. So they've got that. They've got these holes right here where you can hook it onto wood or some some screws, whatever, on both sides. So you want to mount it this way or that way. That's a pretty cool feature there. Looks like the fan rotates in all directions. And it clicks nicely. So that's pretty cool features. I'll bring the camera over just to get a closer look at everything. So yeah, see, you go down into here, you take a closer look at that. It's just a single extension cord plug, normal battery, your dial here. The range of motion on the fan is pretty good. Can go almost all the way around. Those hooks I was talking about, they kind of they pop into place and they stay there. And then I guess another closer look at the underside. So yeah, you see the underside, the thread. There's two threaded spots for two different mounts, or I guess, I don't know if they sell a stand for this or not, but it looks like it's intended for something. And then there's those hook holes that you could just use some screws into the wall if you got them spaced correctly and just mount them. I'll plug up a battery to it right now just to test the speed of the fan. Put this right here. Clip that baby in. Comes right on. Yeah, runs pretty quiet. Sure beats the floor fan that I use every day around here. Gets pretty good velocity. You get down to minimum if you don't want to blow anything. The only thing I'm really concerned about with these is if you get something string, but then any fan, any kind of axle fan, get stuff flying through there, getting stuck in the blades. But as long as you don't get any strings or anything like that around the blade, you should be good. So, but overall for $78 or $79 or $89, I don't know what it sells for, but that's not bad for this fan, especially here in Florida where it's hot as hell in the garage all the time when I'm working, whether it's the winter time or the summertime, especially in the summertime. And with the being battery powered, I could take that outside when I'm sitting on the patio or sitting in the backyard and just have a fan blowing on me with a battery. Anyway, if you guys like this video or any of my other videos, please subscribe to the channel. I periodically post stuff like this and other things with cars and technology, and You know, if you're in the market for this particular fan or any kind of Dewalt tools or battery deals, I'm gonna try to keep the links in this video updated with the latest deals as I see them. So if I see a deal on this, I'll keep the link up to Amazon or other authorized retailers on eBay. Anyway, thanks for watching again, guys.